welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you this truck that's really good at demolition mode. I'm going to make, actually I'm going to do 5. I don't want this video to be too long. Of all the cars and trucks and all that I use, all of them are fully upgraded, or that I use a lot. Like the ones that I used to use, when I first got the game, it didn't have the upgrade thing. So I only made a push like that. So I couldn't get that. And then when I did get it, I already had a lot of good cars. Like the Rapidita. And what else? And the other car, and a ton of other ones. They're really good. So, yeah. I was thinking if with my school bus being fully upgraded, it would work better, but it still does, but I don't use it that much because of how slow it is. I just tapped him. I just tapped him and already he crashed. Or exploded. So I like this car. And they're chasing me. You could totally tell. At the top left corner. You see everything that they're doing, and see, starting to catch up. And come back around. And they're crashing each other. I'm staying on the outside like me. Oh my gosh. Where are they? Oh, there they are. Just crashed into a tire. Oh, no one said that I crashed into a tire. Really? And they're chasing me. And he's crashing himself. I'm about to crash him from the other side, but then he put the car in the way. Right on the side. So I won again, and thanks for watching.